Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new family member. His name is Porter. This Lexi's channel is still here. This is also Lexi's channel. It's Lexi and so Lexi and him is sharing their YouTube channel. His name is Porter. He's a cat. He's naughty sometimes. He tries to scratch the carpet, and that's what the scratchy thing upstairs with the catnip is for, so you can scratch. She's allowed to kind of scratch the couch up, but not like the other way. If he scratches it the other way, it's probably gonna rip the couch. No, Porter. I like how he kind of jumps out like that. He's so playful. On Lexi's bed, huh? It's Lexi's bed. Porter. He's so funny. So like these videos, the videos like the live streams like this where I talk and then I carry around the camera. Those are the normal live streams where I talk around, blah, blah, blah. Those are the 30-minute ones, or 30 or 35-minute ones. And then the ones where I don't talk, it's just playing. He's playing with Lexi's toys, but those are the plain live streams where I don't talk at all, and then there's transitions and stuff, and there's not gonna be transitions. There's gonna be cameras, and it switches cameras. Yeah, I know you can't though. You can't scratch the carpet. Porter, what are you thinking of doing? You're not supposed to go up there, Porter. No, don't go up there. Don't scratch up the discs. Goodness. Don't eat those. Where are those? Port. Where are they? Where are they, Porter? What did you do? Porter, what did you do? Where are those? Where are they? You better not have ate them. Jeez, man. Porter, what did you do? You better not have ate it. Porter, what are you eating? What are you eating? Porter, what the? What are you eating? This isn't food. It's not food. Jeez. Porter! Don't stop eating paper! Porter! No! Did you just do that? You ate paper? Porter! Now he's probably gonna puke on the video. If he pukes, I'm sorry. That's probably just gonna be because Porter, what? What, Porter? What, Porter? Jeez, are you okay? He's probably in here. There he is. Don't eat anything. You're not gonna eat anything, huh? He's so cute. Oh yeah, and then the birthday ones, the ones where when there's birthdays, is when Porter, you're not supposed to go in there. What the heck, Porter? No, wait, Porter. I'm not moving all this stuff to get you out. Porter! Oh my goodness. I'm not moving all this stuff. Now you're stuck. Now he's going behind this. I know, you're stuck. You got yourself stuck. Now you have to figure out a way to get out, Porter. It's your fault. Oh, okay. Did you get it? Porter, come. Porter, don't rip anything. Porter, come. Porter, come. Porter, you're destroying the house. I have to clean this up. Porter. Oh, I'm the one who wanted a cat, so I have to kind of get everything he destroys. Get everything he knocks over. And so I don't know where the other disc went. Where's the... Okay, I picked up all of them, actually. Porter, where'd you go? Are you under the chair? Are you under the bed? Are you in the bed or are you in the closet? He's probably under there. No, he's not under there. Wait, I think I see something. Is that Porter? Is that Porter over here? No? Okay, probably went in the closet then. Did he go in the closet? Probably did. Okay, not there and not there. Okay, that means he's downstairs somewhere. Okay, I just looked away and then he just disappeared. Oh, there he is. Porter. Don't go under the bed because he always goes under stuff when I walk around sometimes towards him. Oh, Porter. He's so cute. I know you love me, huh? I love you too. Don't eat anything, Porter. You better not be eating anything. Porter, he's so cute. He's so cute. No. Porter, don't do it. That's what this is for. You want to go up there? Huh? Or do you just want to go behind there? Porter, you want to come up? He was trying to come up, so come on. He's under here now. He's under the bed now. Is that him? There he is. He's right there. There he is. Porter. Come on. Come on, Porter. He'll come out, actually, though. He'll come out by himself. There he is. Right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's walking around. Porter! Just wait for him to get out. Porter, come. You wanna come out? That's him. Right there. Right there. Nope, he's walking. That's him. like, can I come out? Don't tell me I'm gonna stay here for the rest of the video, Porter. You coming? He's right there.
You cannot come in here and talk to me when I'm on the phone with Jeremy.
Sorry, I wanted to tell you that he was eating
Well,
paper.
take it out of his mouth.
I didn't do it in
Here's
time.
what you do. You go
I
like
couldn't
this.
do it in time.
I know, you go like this.
Yes,
over
he was
his
trying to
nose.
eat. I did it
Listen,
once.
and,
I did it once, but
Okay,
then he.
listen, you go over his mouth like this. You put your fingers in behind his sharp teeth, and it makes him open his mouth, and then you can pull the food out. Or paper out, whatever. Yeah, he seems to be getting in a little trouble when you're home.
And he doesn't do it while I'm at school. He just wants everybody to know that he gets in trouble. He's just finding stuff that aren't food to eat.
Well, give him a pat on the butt and say no.
Well, he already ate the paper. I have a feeling he's gonna puke on camera. Hi, Porter. Hi, Ports. I'm gonna sit here and pet you for a while. Hi, Porter. Every time I come here, he starts purring. Yeah, I love you too. Okay, let's go. Bless you. That's like a half sneeze. You're so cute. You're so cute. Aww. He's like petting my arm. You're so cute. I'm glad we got him. His name is Porter. We got him at PetSmart, by the way. Porter. You coming in here? You gonna go potty? I think he's going potty.
Oh, it's stinking me out.
Look, he's going in his litter box.
Don't see that. Wait, no, you can see that. It's okay.
Bro, what the frick?
It's okay. It's Mama's. Oh,
He's hiding under the chair.
he never heard Lexi bark before. It's Mama's Amazon.
What?
It's Mama's Amazon.
Porter, it's okay. Porter ran. He got scared by Lexi. Porter, it's okay. Come on. He's right there. Porter, come on. Porter, come on.
All right.
It's okay, Porter. He got scared of Lexi, I think. He knew something happened, so he was hiding.
It's okay. He'll come back out.
He's just sitting there.
It's got a poop out of him.
I think he was finished. I think he was finished going potty. Or maybe he's just holding it in right now. I'm not sure, but Porter, come. He's right there. Port. It's okay. It's safe now. It's safe now. Nobody's in our house except for us. Just the two of us, and then just the three of us, including you. Come on, Porter. That's him right there. I think that's him. He's laying like right there on the edge where he can get out. And where he can watch too. Come on, Porter. That's me. That wasn't Porter. I know it kind of sounded like a meow, but that was just my shoes. Come on, Porter. Come on. I don't want to be on this floor all day. Oh, he's sitting kind of even closer. Oh, no. He's kind of walking away. Okay, Porter, come. Come on, Porter. See if I can put the camera right here so I don't have to hold it. Porter. I know you're tired, huh? He just yawned. Porter, come on, it's safe. That was all, in case you forgot, that was all from the doorbell. It was probably Alexi. He knew something was going wrong, and somebody was at her door, and he just hides. I guess he knows when we've never got a delivery. Porter was here. Porter. He's right there. Hey, Porter, come on. That's him right there. Porter, come. It's him right here. Porter. Come on, Porter. It's safe. He's just getting closer and closer each time. Almost. Porter, come on. We gotta finish this live stream up. I know this is boring, but he's gonna come out soon, and I know it. Are you gonna seriously stay here for the rest of the live stream, Porter? Huh? I was thinking of making this live stream 35 minutes, but I guess I can only make it 20. I'll make it 21 minutes, I guess, since he's not coming out. But if he comes out, then I'll just continue on and then move on to 35 minutes. Oh. So silly, Porter. Oh, come on, Porter. Come on. Come on, Porter. It's okay. Okay, 4 minutes got left, guys, in case he doesn't come out. The next live stream will be his birthday, remember? Well, actually, yeah, I think so. Yeah, I don't. Maybe it won't. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Okay. 2 lives, maybe. No, the next live stream won't be the birthday. There's gonna be one more. And that live stream will be probably on the 21st or something. Oops. And then the birthday one will be on the 24th. Porter, you're Porter, come on. I really want to continue on with this. Wow, guys, okay. So, he never lays here that long, I don't think. I'm sorry about my shaky camera. Porter, come. It's right there. God dang it, stupid camera. Porter, come. Come on. He's right there. You're gonna finally come out And you can continue more 35 minutes. No. Porter, come. Sure. Okay, we got like 40 seconds left. Before we go, I just want to tell you that please just, I hope that Porter, just say that, please. I really hope you're do you think Porter is cute? Please say yes. Porter is cute. And before we leave, I just want to just tell you guys that the next live stream will just be on the 21st. Okay, wait. Is he coming out? Alright, no, he's not. Okay, now I'll give an extra 30 seconds. Alright, well. Let's see if he changes his mind. Is coming. Oh. Porter, come. Oh my goodness. Porter, come. Porter, no. Porter. Okay. Before we go, I just want to tell you that I love all of you guys. Oh. Okay, we can continue our 35-minute live stream, you guys. Yay. Okay. Where are you going this time? He always goes in here and just hides and goes everywhere in here. He even likes to go in there. He comes in here and he goes behind that. And sometimes he just goes in there and all this. It's all right. It's the closet's pretty much destroyed from him. Sorry, that's just the guitar. Okay, where are we going? Hey, Porter. Yeah, no. Oh God. Okay, 1 minute left, guys. And if he doesn't come out, we're gonna just quit this live stream. Okay, actually, I'm just gonna do 23 minutes and okay. Okay. So we got like a minute and 10 seconds here. And this is probably gonna be ending. Okay. Okay, Porter. Okay. Here. No. Porter. He's right here. Okay. He keeps changing his mind. No, Porter. I don't want to bring this. Okay, we get to continue our live stream. Porter, come on. I don't want him going in here. Porter, no. Porter. 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 Porter, no. I'm gonna try. Okay, a minute and 10 seconds left, probably this time. Unless he comes out. I'm not gonna joke around. Yeah. 1 minute left. Oh, okay. Okay, you're gonna continue on, huh? Or come out? You're gonna come out? No? You just want to end this, I guess? Oh, no. He's out. You have to continue a 35-minute live stream. What are you doing? I heard something. Is he going under there again, dude? Okay, no, he's not. Oh, no, he is. Okay. 1 minute left. Keep having to calculate. Each time it goes under, it's like a minute or a minute and 10 seconds. Maybe. It's either like... Yeah, let's see. Porter, come on. Can we please continue this? Alright, well, all of our fans of this channel, we love you guys. All my fans on my actual channel, oh my goodness, he's already, oh, Porter, come on. Porter, come on. Let's come out. Porter, come. Come on, let's get out. Porter, he's probably gonna go in here and try to jump on the bathroom counter. Porter, He won't sit behind her, I know it. He's gonna try and jump on the bathroom counter if he goes in there, I know it. Love you, Porter. He's gonna try and jump on the bathroom counter, I know it. He's gonna squat down and he's gonna try it. He's gonna try. Sorry that my camera isn't focused. God dang it. Focus! Before you go, focus on the goddamn light. It's the magnet and the way the lens is. The lens guide. When the lens, each time the lenses move, it does a different focus. Porter. It's like he sees his reflection in there. He doesn't hiss like other cats do when they look in the mirror. 'Cause yeah. When he comes out, I'm gonna close the door because I don't want him coming in here. This is so annoying. Okay, I guess I was wrong. God dang it. Focus. Oh gosh. Don't keep going under there. God, just focus on the kid light. Focus. Can you please focus, camera? I don't want to have a meltdown on camera. Well, pretty much I already did, but God. Is everything focused, kinda? Okay, good. Thank you. He's coming out. Bless you. One day he's gonna come in here and try to jump on the counter again. Or maybe he'll do it today. He tried doing it once. That's just rust from our old cats when I was... Porter, what are you doing? You better not be eating anything. You can sniff. He's gonna try to jump up there once. Porter. Hi, Porter. I love you, Ports. Love you, Porter. There still will be regular videos on this channel, though. Just so you know. There's gonna be there's gonna be a video tomorrow of Lexi, because Lexi is going to Lexi's gonna... God. The magnet flew off. Porter, you better not be hiding from me. Probably scared Porter. I'm not sure though, but he's probably in the office. Oh no, he's just right here. Alright. Hi, Porter. First live stream of Porter. Aw, yeah. They almost went nose to nose. I think they went nose to nose a little bit. On camera. What?
You did a couple times today.
This is the other time. Porter, don't jump on the desk. One time he just meowed and he was like petting my arm. He meowed and petted my arm with his paw. Cats are so cute. I'm glad we got him. He ran around when we like first got him, like on the first day he was here. And like he was like running around all night because he was like in a 2-foot cage for 3 months, and then now he's in a a big house with probably like 17 or less rooms.
1,900.
Are you gonna go in there? He's going in his carrier. Oh, you're gonna come out again? He's been in here this morning too. I can probably fit some of my cameras in there and kind of spy on him a little bit. Yeah, this is what this thing's for scratching. There's catnip in there too, because cats love the smell of catnip. He itches just like Alexi does. 5 minutes left, or like pretty much like 4 minutes left. Reports. After soon I'm gonna have Indulgent Mix soon. I'm pretty hungry. I'm gonna have Indulgent Mix soon. Well, yeah, I mean Porter. Hey, Ports. He's so cute. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You going in your thing again? You've been playing. You are so silly, Porter. You're so silly. You're a funny cat. You're a funny one. I think we bought him like 3 days ago. Mm-hmm. He's like 3 months old, and his birthday is in like a week and 1 day. And it's also on a Wednesday, and Wednesday is wash day for Lexi, so we're gonna have to celebrate Porter's birthday and wash Lexi all in one day. And this is going to be in the live stream, so Lexi's bath is going to be in the live stream too. So, Porter, oh Porter, you're looking at each other. Oh no, Porter, bad. Don't. He did this again. Don't eat the litter or your poop. I think he's just sniffing. You gonna go potty again? He said yes. I heard him. He said yes. Why's the litter on the side here? I think he's going potty. Love you, Porter. You're so cute. You're so cute. Hi, Porter. He's doing that thing when he does that all the time after he goes potty. That's what he does. I'm not sure. Well, I think he's just covering his... Oh no, don't look! Don't look! That's poop. Yep. There's poop in there. Ah. Porter. Thanks for covering, Porter. Oh, it kind of smells in here. Oh, God. Don't look. Porter, don't look at... Don't look. No, don't look!
It's okay.
Everybody, don't look!
Where's Christina? No.
Oh, God, no.
Are you making comments while you're going to the bathroom?
Huh? He's a pet, dude. He's not a... I'm not an animal. Do you think I'm a cat? Am I a cat?
Shh. I'm working.
Hey, Porter. Oh, he's trying to jump on there. Alright, well... Gizmos. Don't look at that. Why am I aiming the camera towards there? Reporter. Yeah. Wait, you know. Okay. He said he did a meow goodbye. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna go eat some Indulgemix now in a second. So yeah. Remember, next live stream is on the 21st. See ya. Bye.